here because of a stupid wall.
Yeah. Come on. A stupid wall.
And here's all the evangelicals saying nothing.
That's right.
Every Democrat's a demon, but every Republican's a Christian. He takes the immigrants at the border and separate them from mother and father, and we call him a Christian?
Yeah.
Come on, huh?
My God.
I'm calling him out.
That's right.
My God.
I'll call him out. I ain't got nothing to lose. I ain't got no political party. I'm not in Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
A God-serving nation, separated family, and we call ourselves, we love God. Kaepernick took a knee. If the preacher would take a knee.
Come on. Come on.
That's right.
All we want to do is take an offering.
Come on now.
Say that, I don't know where you're going.
That's good, Dad.
I said, God, that's it. He can't be president in 2020.
That's right.
He is not going to be president in 2020.
Come on.
I'm a son of God.
That's right. Amen.
Put it in the atmosphere right now. His job is done.
Yes, it is.
His time is up.
Yes, it
His
is.
time has been served.
Yes.
He has one purpose. His purpose was to get the church. His time is up. His time is up. He's out. He's done. He's done. You heard it first here, so tell CNN, tell cable news, tell ABC News that Zoe said he's done.
All right. Hallelujah.
Jesus. In the atmosphere.
I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. How can you mistreat people? The most precious thing on the planet, the precious thing God ever made, and you're going to treat them like dogs?
Yes. Say
The
that.
president, the leader of the free world. What kind of witness is that to the world?
Come on.
None.
And God sent his only begotten son for us, and you're going to do that to his people? God didn't come just for America.
That's right.
He came for China. He came for Ethiopia. He came for Iraq. He came for Iran. He came for Israel. He came for all the nations.
Yes, it is.
That's right. My God.
The world.
Let me calm down. Ephesians 4.
It's a good word. Teacher.
Ephesians 4. This is where we miss it. He said, and gave some apostles, and some prophets, and some evangelists, and some pastors, and teachers, for what? The perfecting of the saints, to what? To work the ministry, for the edifying of the body of Christ, to build it up, that till we come into what? The unity of the faith, and the knowledge of the Son of God, unto a perfect man, or unto a mature man, unto the measure of the stature of the fullness of Christ. That's what we after. We're not after your Sunday morning best to see you in your suit, even though you're looking good. You got your new weave on and looking fresh. We're not after your weave. We want you to know how to operate as sons of God. Why? Why? That we henceforth be no more children tossed to and fro and carried about with every wind of doctrine by the sleight of men and cunning craftiness whereby they lie in wait to in deceit, but speaking truth in love may grow up in all things, which is the head, even Christ. That's why we come to church. To show you how to become a son of God. Show you how to operate in the kingdom. To dominate the kingdom. And so the world, the church is too worldly. And the world is too churchy. Come here, Derek. We are mingling with the world. We are mingling with the world. We are mingling with the world. We're sleeping with the world. We're watching what the world watches. We're doing everything the world do. And we're mingling. And that's not what we called to do. God said we're doing everything with the world except saving the world.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
So you got to get out of this four-wall mentality.
Come on.
We got to go into the marketplace. And we got to bring people to the kingdom of God. The world needs a Savior. They don't need no more church. They need the real Jesus Christ. They need the real manifestations of the sons and daughters of God. Those that walk in power. Those that walk in anointing. Those who, where was the church when they passed road and way? They were laying out in the spirit on the floor. And there was nobody in the political arena. There was nobody in the Supreme Court who was the son of God who could turn the situation around. We were too busy churching. We were too busy looking at the bishop. We were too busy having corporate meetings. And the world was changing the laws and changing the circumstance. And we can't change the world staying in these four walls. What is the purpose of the church? He told Peter, look, Peter, thou art Peter, a small rock. And upon this massive rock, I will build my church. And the gates of hell shall not prevail against this. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to be the born God. We're supposed to be the person with the power. We're supposed to be the person with the mandate to keep the devil out of our arena. We're supposed to pray for the world and demonstrate the power of God. We don't demonstrate nothing anymore. We act like the world. We do everything the world do. People come in the world and come in the church. They don't sense no power. They don't sense no ability. The drunk come in drunk, leave out drunk. You come in here sick, you leave out sick. You come out here messed up, your mind is messed up, you're confused, and there's no power radiating in the church to get your mind right, because there's no power flowing from the pulpit to the pew. And every preacher need to sit down and get some time, just like she said, sit down, hold me down until you catch up with Christ. Church is asleep. Got too many children in the church. Too many children in the church. You're tossed to and fro. When it rains, I can't come to church. When I have an argument with my husband, I can't come to church. That's what you need to call the vote. Devil ain't playing.
Come on, that's right.
Devil's not playing.
That's right.
When a sheriff can go kill his family.
Yes, he will.
Kill his wife, kill his daughters.
My God.
Demons are not playing.
Come on, that's right.
Who's going to arrest them? Not the police. It's us.
That's right.
And if you ain't got no power, you acting like a child. It said that they try to cast out the demon like Paul said. And says that the demon said, Paul I know, and Jesus I know. But who are you? And they beat the life out of them because they didn't have no power.
Yes.
Jesus didn't do any miracles until he became a son.
That's right.
He went to see John the Baptist, and the cloud of God spoke from heaven. This is my beloved son, whom I'm well pleased. And it said the Spirit of God descended on him like a dove. And then he was baptized. And immediately he was led into the Spirit and the wilderness of the intelligence of the devil. I hear you saying, your son, let's see what you got, Jesus. Let's see what you got. You said you the Son of God. Turn these bread into stone. And he said, the man shall not live by bread alone, but every word that proceeded out of the mouth of God. What are you living by? You living by natural bread. You better live by the bread that's coming out of the mouth of God. So that means you got to get close enough to him to hear it.
Jesus. Teach it back. Yes. Jesus.
It's time. It's time. Why do we need to be? You got those slides? Hold on. Why do we need to be sons of God? Why do we need to be sons of God? Just pass them around. Make sure everybody gets some. the central purpose of the Christian is not to serve within the four walls of the church. Matthew 5:13 says that we are the salt of the earth. What does salt do? It keeps things. Keeps things alive. It preserves them. Matthew 5:14 said we are the light of the world. So if the light goes out, the world's in trouble. All right? So God gave us the Great Commission, or we should say the Great Omission. Said, go ye therefore and teach all nations. That word nation means ethnos, people, cultures, behaviors. Baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost. Teaching them to observe all things. Whatsoever I command you, and lo, I'm with you, always, even to the end of the world. So contrary to how the church is viewed, it's not for a chosen few. It's not restricted to the pulpit. The fundamental duty of all Christians is to disciple nations.
That's right.
Jesus didn't call the rabbis. He didn't call all the religious leaders, but he went out in the marketplace and called leaders to come and follow me. And now, I want to talk to you about the 7 spheres of influence. Or the 7 mountains of influence. If we're going to change the world, those seven spheres of influence must be penetrated and dominated.
Yes.
Worship,
Yes.
belief,
Yes.
systems, belief systems, religion, family, media, government, politics, education, science, technology, economy, commerce, finance, business, arts, culture, celebration, entertainment. All these realms must be dominated, and they are in the hands of